Jinan Bada Plastic Pipe Welding Equipment Company Limited is a 23 years factory in China on research, develop, and produce welding machine. Jinan Bada's main products are HDPE pipe butt fusion welding machine, electrofusion welding machine, automatic welding machine, multi-angle cutting saw, workshop fitting welding equipment, gas and water polyethylene pipes and fittings. The products are widely used in municipal, electric power, petroleum, and chemical industries, as well as mining, non-ferrous metal smelting, submarine water conveyance, and other special working conditions. Jinan Bada has a number of technology patents and participated in the formulation of industry standards for hot melt butt welding machines. We have obtained CE certification, and the products have exported to many countries in the world, such as Canada, Russia, UAE, Brazil, South Africa, Thailand, Oman, Egypt. Jinan Bada has a good and extensive cooperative relationship with scientific research institutes, polyethylene pipe users, and professional construction units. Through innovative business models, it arrives the leading position in the welding business, so as to provide a strong quality guarantee for the customers. After years of development, Jinan Bada has accumulated rich experience in technology development and has an excellent professional team of technology research and development, company management, production, sales, and after-sales service. Jinan Bada's business philosophy is to produce quality welding machine and pipe fittings. Welcomes you to visit the factory for our win-win cooperation.
Jinan Bada Plastic Pipe Welding Equipment Company is a professional manufacturer in butt fusion welding machine industry. We have CE and ISO certificates. All of our welding machine warranty for 2 years. We are Bada team. Welcome to Bada.